What's up, everybody? This is Dallas Stone here, and today in this video I want to reach out to you, the community, my followers, my fans, and I'm coming to you for help. For the past couple of years I've been debating whether or not to make this type of video, and I think it's finally come to the point where I know that this can be a little bit cringy, this could be a little bit pathetic on my part, but I think a part of me is just saying, like, sometimes you need to accept that you need help from your community. For some of you who've been following me for a very long time, the past couple of years since YouTube changed their partnership program, I was unpartnered, and I've been creating videos ever since then. Even after I got unpartnered, I've been posting up Marmoset toolbag tutorials. I've been posting up Blender tutorials, Maya tutorials, my workflow, my experiences in the industry, and I've been giving that all for free. I haven't received a penny since I've been unpartnered a couple of years ago. I have never asked anything from the community that I've built until now. So let me give you guys some inside numbers, kind of behind the scenes stuff that I don't typically show. I'm so close to partnership again. As of this recording, I am 113 hours away from the benchmark that is needed for YouTube to consider me again to be a partner. Once I hit that number, that is when they will go through a YouTube review process where they'll look at my channel and assess if I am deserving of the partnership. So this brings me to the important part. How can the community come together and help me? Well, first and foremost, if you are checking out my videos, if you don't mind, watch it all the way through, because that's the only way that I'll be able to collect enough minutes and hours to hit the benchmark that YouTube needs. My suggestion is, when you're working on your 3D art, have one of my playlists running in the background, just listening to my voice, having it as ambient noise in the background. So a lot of you might be asking, what are you going to get from doing this? What are you going to get from helping me? Well, first off, I'm going to promise this year I'm determined to make sure that I have weekly consistent videos. The videos are going to be projects that I'm working on and tutorial style videos that I've always been posting up. Lastly, I just want to give a wholehearted thank you to all my fans, all my followers, all my subscribers for following me through this journey. I love to provide my knowledge and share it with everyone. And the extra income is going to be a nice incentive to continue to grow this community and to spend more time creating this type of content. Thank you all, and I hope that you are willing to help me get to partnership again. I also want to note that you don't need to do this. This is not something that I'm forcing you to do. It's one of those things where if you want to help and you have the time, I appreciate your time, and I appreciate you wanting to help me. Thank you, everybody, and I'll see you next time. I have never asked anything from the community. So my suggestion is, when you are working on your 3D art, maybe have a playlist running from my channel. Okay, let's run through this. My suggestion is, so a lot of you guys might be asking, okay, no, don't use guys.